and I see this and do this, you're inspiring me.
I've inspired the man. So we got some, I believe these are D2 coilovers. Don't worry about that right there. I had to fill in a little. This is why they were cheap, you know? There were some gashes here. No leaks or anything.
No leaks.
Yeah. See, they're marked. If it would focus, it won't. That's fine. So yeah. Let us begin. Alright. Tell me what you're doing.
Coilovers.
As you can see, the wheel is off. Now it is time to assess the situation. Let us continue. Alright, so while Joey's tackling the chungus, I'm going to take out these back seats, because if you want to swap out the coils, they're located right here basically. That's where the whole tower is, so you got to take out the whole seat chungus.
Where's the tower on these?
Right back here.
Okay.
What do you think?
Alright.
Alright, so to take off these bottom seats, you just literally reach under it right there and pull as hard as you can, snap them off, and whoopah! Now, right here, there are some bolts. I don't know why this is not focusing. There are some bolts that you need to take off on that side too. And then, in here there are some bolts. And then, right here, there are some bolts. So you take all those off, and these guys come out. Accomplished. So, loosen it from the top, obviously. Loosen it from the bottom. There's a bolt going through that connects to it. And then there's also this little assembly right here, which is what connects to the coilover through here, and then what connects to this lever control arm. You're gonna want to loosen that guy up, kind of twist it, and then slide the coilover and maneuver it through around all this stuff. So, what do you rate this job out of 47?
32.
32 out of 47. Alright, so after we did that, we slid in the new coil, the fresh coil. Fresh. The saucy coil. And then we decided to jack up the car, slide the little guy right into place, right there, if you see him, oh, nope, right there. Line that up by jacking the bottom right here up, slide the bolt in, tighten it, jack it up a little bit more, tighten the top, and what happens?
I lowered the car.
MashaAllah. Big body veins, remember I used to be dusty.
Alright, let's see how she looks. First look. Completely off. I think she looks a lot better.
I think I need to take those spacers off because I'm gonna hit this fender.
Probably.
Well, I am leaned up right now, so maybe not.
Alright. Perfect.
Yo, we are touching. How much you get in there, dog? Ah, what's up with it?
That's right.
I approve that. So we didn't finish last night. It got too dark and we were too tired. So we're back in the morning. And hopefully this time everything will go off without a hitch. We had some problems. And yeah. Alright, so we got this guy in. It was a bit difficult. If you look right here, there's this whole bracket that holds the thing in place. It got stuck against this bolt right here, which comes from some linkage on the backside. So basically we had to take some pry bars, stick them in there, pry the thing over that bolt in order to push it out. So if you encounter that problem, you know the solution. All right, so the backs are thankfully very easy. Am I right or am I right?
Hardest thing in the world.
All you gotta do is take out the back seats, which we already explained, but otherwise they're super simple. And we're about to drop this guy and see how the tuck looks. Here we go, scoundrels.
Mighty fine.
Yeah, we're tucking everywhere, dude. This is annoying. Alright, so here is a rundown of the back. When you take out the seats and everything, you have these little guys right here. And then you have this little guy that fits on top of them. So some 14s on top of here. When you take that off, you have some 14s right here. And that's about it. Finally, it's done. Look at him. Look at her. So, we're tucking in all corners now. I had some wheels on this car you may have seen in a previous video. It definitely won't fit now because I had to use spacers in the front to clear the caliper. So, bear that in mind if you plan on lowering this car. But yeah, she looks dirty. What you think?
That's a bad mama.
That's a big shooter. All right, till next time, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, if anything. And yeah, if you like this video, there's a bunch more on the LS400 that we have. Look at my dirty hands. You can go ahead and watch them. I'm sure we have a playlist somewhere for them. And
tuck the wires for this. If you need to lower your car, you gotta tuck the wires. Check that out.
That's true. You have to tuck the wiring harness in the front. I did it without taking off the fender. Most people take off the fender. So if you want to know how to do that, check that video out. I'll link it in the description. But like I said, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. It helps us out. We're growing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Till next time. See you guys later.